Hi girls, our first lesson, I'm going to show you how to find the feedback that I left you for your Genius Hour. I just realized that it is a little bit hard to find, and if you haven't seen the feedback that I've left you, I want you to give the opportunity to see those. I left video feedback for every single person, so I would like for you to see that. So what you're going to do is follow the link in lesson 1, and it's going to take you to this login right here. You're going to log in with your Google account. Mine is my Harpeth Hall Google account, Amy Emerson at harpethhall.org, or whatever yours is. And then you're going to see this page like this. And you're going to have a lot more under my videos than I do because I'm a teacher, not a student. But this is a class that, or a lesson that Miss Sloan set up for us to practice. So I am a student in this class. So my videos show all of the videos that I made in her class, or any classes that I've ever used that login for. So you are likely to have all your science videos that you've ever made. So for the presentation and for all of the feedback you've given classmates, you'll see those videos there. You'll see videos that you've made. If you've made one for Miss Regal, you've seen videos for any of the classes where you've used your Flipgrid. So you'll see them all listed here. Find the one that is your presentation, your Genius Hour presentation, and you'll be able to see how many people have looked at it. And then right here under feedback, you'll be able to see view. And she actually gave me written feedback, not a video feedback. But if you click here, then you'll be able to see the video feedback. She just left me written work here, a written feedback here, but you'll be able to see the video I leave you here, and you'll be able also to see the grade that I gave you. So that is it. And I also want to make sure that you watch the videos that your classmates left for you too, because that was a lot of work, and you may have already done that, but those are easier to find. So ask questions if you have any. Thanks.